Hey Caledonian, my name is Greg and I am shooting you this video to show you why your website isn't getting any traffic in Google. The reason I'm doing this is because I work with local businesses, contractors, HVAC guys, painters, etc., to help them optimize their website to get uh, found by potential customers looking for their business. I always assume that a business that has a good looking website has built that website with a reason, and that reason is to be found by their customers who are looking for their services. Um, so what I see here is your website, Caledonian HVAC, gets zero organic traffic per month, whereas, and I'm going to contrast with one of your competitors, um, gets 500 a month. So think about what this looks like for you in terms of growing your business, taking on more work, if you're actually getting customers to find you proactively. Okay. What I'm going to do is take a look through your website and answer the following question. So, how do you beat your competitors to the top of Google? I did a search for you, or rather, I did a search for HVAC Fresno, and I didn't see you here on the first page. So I answer the question: how do you beat your competitors to the top of search? Um, quick intro. My name is Greg. I run a marketing agency in Santa Cruz, working with local businesses, and I answer this question in three ways. It's about content, it's about what we call backlinks, and it's about what we call citations. And I'll give you much more detail on those three things in a second. But really, what this all boils down to is we need Google to assume that you have authority, to assume that you are trustworthy, and to assume that you are a relevant site to show customers on the first page of Google. Okay, if Google doesn't trust you, they won't rank you because they care very much about their customers' experience, those people using their search engine. They're not going to rank you if they don't trust you. They're not going to rank you if they don't think that you're authoritative or trustworthy. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about content first. Let's take a look at your website. The first thing I'll say is there's really a lot of good stuff here. It's engaging. It's a modern and well-functioning website. I really like the fact that you have a drop-down menu here for services. This is standard. Google cares a little less about aesthetics, although they do care about functionality. What they care more about when it comes to assessing trust, authority, and relevance is your content. So they're looking for volume, they're looking for quality and quantity. I did a quick count. Actually, it didn't even pull up your website for a count. So if I eyeball the content on your site, you really need about 1,500 words on this homepage. And this needs to speak about your business, your services, your uniqueness, why customers should engage with your website. You've got 3 seconds to capture their attention. So we need 1,500 words here on the homepage, and I think you're a little short. We also then need at least 500 words in each one of these service pages. The reason why quality is important is because it allows us to write into that content what we call keywords. Here's a keyword, HVAC Fresno. It is exactly the phrase that I used to pull up these search results, and it's exactly the same phrase that many of your customers are using to find you or to find your competitors. We need to find the best possible keywords with the highest possible search volume and write those into your content in a very strategic way that Google picks them up and understands what you're all about. Currently today, you have 31 keywords that Google has ranked and indexed for you. And here's what they are. The first thing I want to show you here is that if someone is searching for you by name, you're showing up on the 19th spot. That's the 4th page of Google. Okay, these are good keywords here. Fresno HVAC, because it's location based. HVAC Fresno, HVAC contractor Fresno. There's good search volume here, but you're ranking to the 5th, 6th page for all of these really good keywords. Okay, so there's a bit of work needed here to switch up your content and get Google to really read these keywords and understand that you are relevant and authoritative in writing about these so that they can rank you. That's content. So I mentioned that I'd also talk about backlinks. Quickly here, I'll give you a definition of backlinks. So the internet is a web, and the more that you engage in that web, the more sites that link to your site, as long as those sites are trusted, the more Google trusts you. Okay, so you are currently linked to by I think that's 11. Yeah, 11 results. Now, someone's done a good job here. They've linked you to some very high, trustworthy, high authoritative sites themselves. This DR score here is a trust score. But there's only 11. There should be at least 100. You would want to curate the best possible links, do some research, find out who those other businesses are that can link to you, and reach out to them and ask for a link. Okay, that drives your trust score up. Currently, your website trust score is 23 out of 100. Okay, 23%. So by doing that work, we drive this number up, and the higher this number gets, the more likely you are to rank. That's backlinks. Citations, then, the number of times your business name, address, and phone number are mentioned anywhere on the internet in a directory. And this gives you a good chance of being ranked up here in what we call the map pack. The first 3 results, other than ads, that show. This is a good place to be because you can win this spot and also one of the organic spots, but also because most customers today are using mobile phones to do search. When this map pack shows up on a mobile phone search, there's a third button here that says call, and with one touch they can call your business straight away. It means that it's far easier to reach you if you're here than if you're here. So we need citations to get you here. The process here is to just basically, again, curate all the directories that you should be listed in, and you want to beat your nearest competitor by hundreds. And we would start out with at least 200 citations, which gives you a really good push here. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. As I say, you're not showing up on the first page of Google for this very basic search term, HVAC Fresno, which is why you're getting 0 organic traffic currently. Please take this information and use it as you see fit. If you wanted to talk further or you have any questions, please reach out to me. Really, I work with local businesses, and this is the kind of work that I do to get them found and to get them growing. So without further ado, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to speaking to someone there soon. Thanks.